I'm making this scarf that has a garter edge at each end. I'm going to show you now how to make markers so that you can use them and not make a mistake. I'm going to knit the first 4 stitches. That's for my garter. Now I want to make the marker so that I can put it in, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. You probably have lots of little threads left over from tails or whatever, and that's what I'm using here. Just fold it in half and make a little loop like so, and ready to go. I'm going to put that in now. Just slip it right over the needle and continue on with my pattern, which in this case is a like lace variation number 1. Going to do that until I get to the last 4 stitches and then make another marker. So here I am for the last 4 stitches. I'm going to make the other marker now. Another piece of thread, doesn't have to be the same color or the same weight, and just again make a little loop like so. Now I'm going to slip that one over and knit the last 4 stitches. Now I'm going to knit those 4 stitches. I'm going to come to the marker and I'm going to just slide it off. It doesn't matter which way you do it, either way, forwards, backwards, and then I'm going to continue on, which in this case is a purl row, and I'm going to purl until I get to the last 4 stitches. So here we are again. I'm going to just slip it off, put my yarn in back, and knit the last 4 stitches. So there we go. I have a marker on each end. Like I said, it doesn't have to be the same color, the same weight, and I just always make these markers. I know that you can buy markers, but this works so well for me. It always has, and that's why I continue to do it this way. So give it a try, and you know what to do, all that social media stuff, subscribe, like, etc., comment, and until next time, happy knitting, everyone.